Hello folks, thank you for tuning in. So I've been seeing a lot of the vaporizers, the Dewalt battery power ones, there's the Milwaukee ones. This is the Dewalt 20 volt battery. And I found a Dewalt battery tray with a 20 volt fuse to a step down inverter or converter to a 12 volt one. So if this video gets published, that means this setup will work. You can purchase this on Amazon for around $100 or so. I will provide all the links to the bottom or you can get this stuff. But here we go. I'm going to test this out. I'm going to cut this wire and we're going to see if everything works. If it doesn't, then this video will not get published. We're going to cut it close. We're going to put it right about here. Give myself some working room here. Okay, so that's done. All this came in this box I just took out. All right, I'm going to go through this pretty quick, see if this works as a temporary setup, and then I'm going to do a remake of this video, or a second part to this, where I can do the casing and everything else, and maybe do I don't know, some kind of thing around here to make it better, make a permanent fixture. So right now I'm just cutting off the casing for this. It's pretty thick casing, as you can see. I don't know if you can zoom in on that. See that? I'm trying to cut this. This is pretty thick. There you go. Go. Peel this back. Peel this back. By the way, I've been using this bee vaporizer for the oxalic acid for my beehives for like 2 years now, and good and bad about this. I don't know if every one of them will come loose. But the wire, I washed this in water to clean this out afterwards and everything like that. I had to take this apart, take the whole unit apart, and the wire came unsoldered. So I had to redo this, resolder it, and redo the connections on the bottom, and it made it, and I fixed it. So otherwise, this is useless with that. And this rubberized silicone covering for this little pipe here, I think a 1/4 inch or whatever, copper piping. There's a thread on it. It's tight. Can't take it off now. Oh, here we go. There's a thread on this. Constantly have to clean this pipe out every time you use it. So I think it's solidifying, or the vapors are condensing as a solid because it's cold on this pipe. So I just try to insulate a little more. Anyway, let's see if this works. I'm going to do a quick connection. Should be enough here. Okay. Should be negative right here. Which hopefully should be a positive. Let's follow it down. White is on this side. Doesn't follow it down. There's red and black. I'm going to go with my gut instinct and say black is the ground and the white is the positive. We'll see. Let me see if the connectors maybe come. This thing might come with will fit on here temporarily until I make it better. Yeah, I think so. Pretty cool. This unit, this thing came with all the stuff. So blue, red. Oh, looks like this needs to be a little longer. My daughter's taking this video. She was nice enough to help me out here, so I don't have to fumble with the camera work. Okay, this should be long enough. Slide it in, let go. Nope. Oh, I guess gotta lift that thing all the way up. Alright, what's going on? So I don't know if you guys can see this. See that little chrome? Once you lift this thing up, it lifts that thing, whole thing up. So I gotta lift it way up. This way. And down. Does it take? Yeah, I think it's in. Okay, we'll do the other side. Okay. We'll do the black first, which is the blue. Oh, look, it stays up. That makes it easier. Okay. Boom. Boom. Awesome. Oh, let me do this side. Pop it up. Pop it up. Okay, this should be all the way in. Let me do both of them at the same time. Hear the birds. We're outside. Beautiful day today. Shove it all the way in. Push it down. All right. All right, that's the connection. So here's the big moment here. Plug this in. I shouldn't put a fuse on here. If it pops, you know it's bad. All right, here we go, guys. This is off. Okay, here's the big moment. You ready? Let's see if it pops. Nothing. I have this thing push all the way in. See, there's enough wattage in here. Let me get a bigger battery. What's that? Okay, so I got two batteries. This is 4 amp hour. This is 6 amp hour. So I'm just gonna try the 4. This is all good. Fuse is good. And you switch that to turn on. Nothing. This has 4 bars, fully charged for the 4 amp hour. Let's see. Oh! Oh my God! Do you guys see this? Look! There's some residue. Fantastic. Alright, I'm gonna test this out. I'm gonna take this out, try the, oh my God. Try the 6 amp hour. 4 amp hour works. 2 amp hour wasn't enough juice, I guess. We'll try the 6 amp hour. Should click on no problem. Yep. Holy crap. Guess what, guys? You see this, right? The output. It works. It works. So now if I just make a thing to mount this here or something like this, and I can carry this around without carrying a big bulky battery that's hooked up to. This is awesome. All right, I guess stay tuned for that next video. Okay, so I want to test this out. Okay, I got Oxalic Acid right here. This is the brand I bought. I just want to put a little tiny scoop in it. Just maybe half packet. Okay. Put the cover on. Everything's on tight. Put the battery in. I know this is poisonous, so don't do this without weighing anything, please, guys. Alright, just want to take this now. There you go. It works. Smoke's coming out of there. The oxalic acid is coming out of there. Awesome. Look at that, guys. Alright, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Hey guys, I want to thank you for tuning in, but the vaporizer with the battery setup is successful. So please leave a thumbs up if you find any value in this video, and I'm going to leave all the parts list in the information below. I want to thank you guys for watching this video completely. I think I might also, if you don't want to build this stuff, I think you might be able to do this for like 200 bucks. You know, get everything for you, build it out, and maybe you have it in a way that's secure. But we'll see what the cost is and everything like that. But it'll be a lot cheaper alternative than buying it. The unit, I think it was, now it's like over $500 for the battery powered VBAP. Anyway, thanks again. Leave a like, please, and share it. All right, take care. Bye bye.